Today's the day. Super excited. Have lots of people here. Family came in from Texas. They're here with me. I'm getting a new awesome family and Deborah's family as well. Life is great and I am so thankful. Today will be epic. So today is November 9th, 2019, and the day has finally come. Sitting here in Yangon, Myanmar, and about to marry the girl of my dreams, Deborah Diamond Minas. So a lot of you don't know how we met, and it's kind of crazy, but we actually met during a mission trip when I was coming to Myanmar for a Christian youth camp. So she was one of the youth leaders at the church that we were partnering with. And during that time, there was something about her that always stood out to me. And she just looked different and seemed different from anyone else I've ever met before. So she always caught my eye and was always sitting across from me inside the church. I was coming strictly for ministry, so was not looking for a relationship. So even though I felt that I needed to pursue her further, I was being disobedient, you can say, and was wanting just to come for ministry and then go back home. That was probably one of the only times in my life I felt that I heard a audible voice that said her name, Deborah, and didn't exactly know what it meant, but continued to try to focus on the youth camp. Long story short, it was one night we were having a powerful revival, the move of God, and she was praying for one of the kids at the altar. And my parents had always told me that when you are in a relationship with somebody and you have a stronger connection spiritually as well. So while she was praying with the kid in their language of Burmese, I decided to touch and agree with her in faith and to be able to believe that that boy can get what he needs and receive the Holy Ghost. And immediately when I did, in less than a minute, he started to speak in tongues. So for me, I've never had that connection with somebody before. Even with that, I left back to the States. From there, decided to continue to stay in contact with her. And we hit it off well and continued to talk on a daily basis. I decided I wanted to pursue it to be exclusive. And I asked her that I was going to fast and pray for 3 days to see if this was in the will of God, because one, a long distance relationship is already crazy to begin with. Two, a long distance relationship from the United States to Myanmar is crazy as well. But I thought if it's in the will of God and it's His plan, it will work out. Immediately when I said I would fast, she said she would also. So I knew there was something special about this girl. We fasted and prayed. 3 days later, decided to make it official. Now, 3.5 years later, I have the opportunity to marry the girl of my dreams. During that time, before I was going to propose last year, my mom always had told me that it doesn't matter who I marry, but the only thing that she wanted is for somebody to adore me. And knowing that there sometimes can be a language barrier, I didn't even know if Deborah knew the word adore. So I had asked God as a sign before I had proposed and said, God, I want to hear Deborah say, I adore you, before I propose. And that way I know that it's for me. She did. And the night before I proposed, the very first time of our 2.5 relationship, out of the blue, she said, I adore you. So God knows what we need at all times. And she has been a dream come true for my life. I thank God for you, Deborah. I love you, Deborah. And you make me a better person daily. And I can't wait to grow old with you. Aye, chite.
Hey baby, finally the wait is over. We're getting married today. And I just know that you're so exciting as I am as well. I will always cherish not only today, also for the rest of my life. As you know that I love you so much and you're so worth the wait. I'm so ready to keep loving you today, tomorrow, and forever. You're my favorite, and I love you forever. I love you, baby. Thank you so much, Joseph.
Đi đi xa bị rồi mà chỗ này từ từ qua relationship chắc ta này mà gì ta ta với mình đi nhà này này chỉ xem con này bị thả xuống đến thành này mà gì tại cái relationship chỗ này từ từ cao hơn trong chân này mà gì Congratulations both of you May your heart always beat for each other Love you today Anh chủ này chúနှစ်တရာတိုင်းရုံးမြေကြပေါင်းဖက်နိုင်ပါစေတတမီမီမြင့်မြင့်တရတဲ့အထီအတူလက်သေးမဖြုတ်ပဲနဲ့ဘဝနေ့ရက်တိုင်းကိုအတူတကွပျော်ရွှင်စွာဖြတ်သန်းနိုင်ပါစေလို့ဆုတောင်းပေးပါတယ် I know you will have the best life together I love you if you need anything we're always here for you Congratulations to my twinnie and Joe Happy marriage Thank you နဲ့ Joseph ဒီနေ့ကစပြီးတော့တာယာကျော်ရှင်နဲ့ marriage life ကိုပိုင်ဆိုင်နိုင်ပါစေ။တနေ့ထက်တနေ့လည်းစတဲ့တူပြီးတော့ချစ်နိုင်ပါစေ။ပသားမီလေးအများကြီးဝင်ပြီးတော့လည်းကျော်ရှင်စရာကောင်းတဲ့မိသားစုပွားလေးကိုပိုင်ဆိုင်နိုင်ပါစေ။ Thank you ဘဝနေ့ရဲ့တိုင်းကိုအတူတကွပျော်ရွှင်စွာဖြတ်သန်းနိုင်ပါစေလို့ဆုတောင်းပေးပါတယ်။ Thank you လေကိုရောက်ပါလို့ရှိရင်ကျမကြီးအစားဆက်ဆက်ရရကိစ္စပါလို့ Always keep in touch with us and don't forget that NVGMs are always there for you. Thank you and Joseph. Congratulations again. Thank you. Thank you.
ဟာငယ်ချင်းပိုင်းကျူနဲ့ကျိုးအတွက်မင်္ဂလာဆုတောင်းပေးရမယ်ဆိုရင်စကားတွေနိုင်နေတော့ငါပေါ်ပြလိုက်ပေးမယ်နင်းနဲ့ကျိုးနဲ့အခုပျော်ရွှင်နေကြသလိုပဲနောက်ရှိစမယ့်ဘဝခီးလမ်းမှာပျော်ပျော်ရွှင်ရွှင်နဲ့အခက်အခဲတွေကိုကြင်ကြမမာနဲ့အတူတူကြော်လာနိုင်ပါသေးလို့ငါဆုတောင်းပေးလိုက်တယ် and thank you and Joe be healthy and be happy okay
I just want to draw just only one thing is be kind and understanding each other is the most important thing I think. That's all. Bye bye.
bye bye
baby အဲဒါငါတကယ်ကြည့်ဒီနေ့ကနေစပြီးတော့နောက်နေ့ပေါင်းများစွာတိုင်းချဲလူနဲ့ချစ်တွေအများကြီးတို့ပြီးတော့ချဲလူနဲ့ရုပ်နဲ့ကြောင်မောင်းဖန်နိုင်ပါစေလို့ဆုတောင်းပေးလိုက်ပါတယ် Congratulations baby love you
Bye bye if you congratulations. That's great. Anything is possible. Oh my god.
Big day.
Love you.
We love you so much. And there is nothing in this world that we won't do for you.